how to change Gboard theme and color on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or S26 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on general management. After that, tap on Gboard settings, then tap on theme. From here you can choose the default theme and then tap on applied. If you like to add color to your keyboard, you can scroll down and then select one of the available color, such as red or green. Here you can choose to turn on the border or not, and then tap on applied. Here, if I go back to my keyboard, you can see it has different colors now on the keyboard. If you want to add in an image in the background, you can download some of the built-in images here. So tap on it to download the image and then tap on applied. Here you can see the keyboard will have the image background on the keyboard. To change to a gradient color, you can also download a different gradient background color and then tap on applied. Now from the selection here, this is all that is available for you to download. If you want to create your own custom theme, you can tap on the add button here, and then you can choose photos in your library. So here you need to give it permission. So it says choose cloud media app to include backup photos. I would dismiss it for now. And in my photo library, I can select a picture and then tap on done. Here I can zoom the picture in or out and then tap on next and then tap on done. Here we can choose the brightness of the pictures and then tap on done and then tap on applied, and that's it. So if we go back to our keyboard, you can see now it has the image from our photo library as a background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.